I saw this video on YouTube about a new private school that's replacing teachers with artificial intelligence. Check this out.
A new kind of private school opening in Oklahoma in a matter of weeks. This new education option is raising some eyebrows, though, because the kids will not be learning from teachers.
Exactly. The curriculum is driven by artificial intelligence. Many news outlets have already done some reporting on this, but tonight we're learning a lot more about how it's being incorporated in the classroom and why the price of tuition is higher than most expensive private schools here in the metro.
News 4's Tanner DeLeon spoke with a co-founder of this new AI-powered school. And Tanner, this is eye-opening for folks.
It is, and $40,000. That's the price tag of what families will pay to send their kids to Alpha Oklahoma City. And leaders of the AI school say their students learn at a better pace compared to standard teachers. But one Oklahoma lawmaker is not quite on board with the idea.
We are using artificial intelligence to raise human intelligence.
An AI-powered chain of private schools now making their way into Oklahoma, promising a better education without instruction being taught by teachers. Texas-based Alpha Schools has locations in 6 states. The latest being Oklahoma, with a location in Tulsa and the other in Edmond opening up in August. Though Mackenzie Price, co-founder of Alpha Schools, says the Edmond location is called Alpha Oklahoma City, and a typical school day starts like this.
Our kids are spending only 2 hours in the morning working on academics. Our students are working on individualized lessons that are personalized to meet them at the exact level and pace that's right for them. So they basically spend 25 minutes in each of the core subjects: math, reading, language, science.
In all, students get 2 hours of classroom instruction taught by AI with so-called guides in the classroom for support.
Wow, 2026. I don't want to focus on this one school because my point is bigger than any single institution, but if you do a quick search, you'll find the video. As I watched it, I realized this is exactly the conversation we need to be having about AI in education. But I don't think we're asking the right question. The question isn't whether AI belongs in teaching. It does. The real question is, who should be exercising professional judgment? I'm going to keep saying this. The responsible use of artificial intelligence is to extend human teacher intelligence. The reckless use of artificial intelligence is to replace human teacher judgment. Those are two completely different visions for the future of education in the age of AI. When we hand over instructional judgment to AI, we also risk handing over the most sacred parts of teaching: the perception, the wisdom, the ethics, the responsiveness. The most important decisions a teacher makes aren't just about delivering content, they're about noticing students, interpreting what's happening, responding to what matters, and making thoughtful decisions in real context, in real time. That's why I built the Brilliant Teaching app the way I did. It's not a lesson generator, it's a thought partner. It doesn't try to think instead of teachers. It helps teachers to think more deeply. Everything in the app is organized around 5 planning questions. What do we want students to understand? What do we want students to feel? What are the targets for rigor? What are the indicators of engagement? And where are the opportunities to be responsive? Those questions keep teacher judgment at the forefront while using AI to extend our thinking, not replace it. AI is transformative, but whether that transformation makes teaching more human or less human depends on the choices we make right now. I'm choosing AI that helps teachers become even more thoughtful, more perceptive, and more responsive. I hope you'll choose that future too.